Hey, ho, ho, ho's! This is day 13 of unboxing the beer advent calendar. Let's see what we open today. Number 13. Should have probably looked for this one before. Where's 13? There it is. Right there. What happened to the day 13 beer? Shit.
You did do it last night.
Did I do it?
Well, you look back.
Hello everybody, this is day 13 of unboxing the beer advent calendar. Let's see what we get today. And it is another Bocker. And I'm sure this is another duplicate, so let's see. Let me check. I think these two are the same. They look like they are the same. They absolutely are the same. So this is, again, another drawing from the advent calendar in which Aldi's could not supply a original beer. But we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and have it when we have this one. Have a good one. Merry Christmas.